Hello, Year 5. We are on lesson 3 of our topic, Les Fetes, in French. This time, though, we're going to be focusing a little bit more on numbers, so hopefully you haven't forgotten about them. Let us share screen. So that's the first one. And let's see what's going on.
Qui gagne? C'est quel numéro? Regardez et
This one, I'm sorry. That's the third one. There we go. That's the one. Need to practice the numbers first. It's not even the one. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes, fine. So many. That's the one. Yes. Okay.
écoutez et regardez.
Regardez.
Marine, Polly et Chichi trouvent la machine de Madame Moulin. Allez les enfants, un peu d'exercice. Touchez les pieds. Levez les bras. 1, 2, continuez. 3, 38, 39, 40. Arrêtez. Et maintenant, levez les pieds. 1, 2, continuez. 3, 4, 5, 6. Allez, comptez.
49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54.
Continuez, levez les pieds.
55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Allez.
Fine. All right. So, as you have seen, there are some of the numbers in French that kind of repeat like the ones in English, like 52, 53, 54. We bypass that moment when where they are completely, we bypass the moment where they're completely different, like with 11, 12, 13, 14, because obviously in French we have 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. So I'm going to be adding a little sheet with all the numbers there, so that could help you. But in the meanwhile, I would like you to still practice a bit of the pronunciation and be a bit more familiar with the sounds as well. So I am going to be sharing this one now. So we can practice a little bit of the sounds, because obviously they are a bit different from the English sounds.
Touchez un nombre ou un groupe de nombres. Écoutez et répétez.
Touchez un nombre ou un groupe de nombres, écoutez et répétez. Because you will see there are a group of numbers, obviously in a chunk of 10, and we can pick them to obviously practice those rather than the other ones. So here, there's a group of 10 numbers, and obviously you can pick un groupe de nombres to choose which one you want to practice. So I don't want it to be too boring, so I'm just going to pick a few of them because I think they are worth mentioning. So
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Okay, like we said, they repeat. So we got 30 and then we got 40. So everything that is in the middle of that will have obviously the repetition of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now, what's important in terms of pronunciation is that 31, so 31. So
31.
Can you see 31? So we need to make sure that we change the sound here. It's not going to be 31. 31. This part here, the number 1, will have to be quite nasal. Sometimes we do pinch our nose, don't we, in class to try and get that feeling. So let's have a look at a few of the 4150, so 41 and 50. So,
41, 45, 48, 50.
so please practice the one in the middle yourself. As we said, we just go from
41.
I did it French 41, and then we have to practice up to
50,
same thing here.
51,
That's the trickier one.
52, 54, 57, 59,
No. And then we have 60.
60.
We have to stop here because it's going to get a bit, I don't want to say trickier, but definitely different from what we are used to, because obviously we just have 70. So we sort of continue our counting this way, which is a bit different in French. So obviously we have blocked our learning up to this bit that we can consider a teeny tiny easier than the rest of the numbers in French. So please practice those so you will feel super confident for the next part of our learning. So let's now share the other screen. So the first one I actually shared, which had to be the last. So,
Qui gagne? C'est quel numéro? Regardez et répondez.
who's winning? Qui gagne?
Qui gagne? C'est quel numéro?
Oh, can you try? So we've got here what? 30, and then we have number 4, so 4. So we said that we just put them together. It's one of the easy ones, so 34.
Numéro 34.
Fantastic.
Numéro 34.
Génial!
Qui gagne? C'est quel numéro?
Okay, so what number is that? What number is that? So we can partition it. Let's use a bit of mathematical language here. So we've got a 50 and a 7. So 50, and then we have 7. 57.
Numéro 57. Numéro 57.
Très bien!
Très bien. Okay,
Qui gagne? C'est quel numéro?
all right, that's one of the ones that I was trying to show you earlier. We have to put the conjunction in between the 30 and the number 1. So 31. Okay, so we really need to focus on these ones, okay?
Numéro 31. Numéro 31.
Super!
All right, so as I said, I'm going to attach a sheet to the observation or the plan activity for today. If you could complete the usual, so the worksheet 3A, I believe we are now, and if you want to also the 3B, that will be brilliant. Please practice the pronunciation of the numbers, particularly as I said, the 31 and 41, because we really have to show that difference in sounds. And if you want to, again, I always ask, please send me a video of you pronouncing these sounds. That would be brilliant. I'd like to see you, again, guys. And if you have any problems, please just send me a message. Bye, you guys.